If your phone sticks to duct tape like this, it means that it has no oleophobic layer. So what are you gonna do with that? Just throw it away? Or get yourself a screen protector from MagicJohn that has oleophobic layer and extremely easy to apply, that anyone can do it with even dust on the phone. Just put it on top, and with these 3 steps, it's completed. As you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Privacy version protects your privacy from both sides 20 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer gives you a silky smooth surface and it's fingerprint proof. And the oleophobic layer makes it so that it doesn't stick. It is scratch resistant and extremely durable.